Ever wondered what it takes to build your own Trustpilot? First, you'll need a solid foundation. Start with the front end using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create the user interface, making it easy for users to navigate and submit reviews. Consider using a framework like React or Angular for a more dynamic and responsive experience. Next, design a robust database to store all that juicy data. Think about tables for users, businesses, reviews, and ratings, connecting them with relationships to ensure data integrity and efficient retrieval. Now, the heart of your platform, the rating algorithm. Implement a system to calculate average ratings based on user submissions, factoring in elements like recency and review weight to combat potential manipulation and ensure fair representation. Don't forget moderation. Develop tools for flagging, editing, and removing inappropriate or fake reviews. This is crucial for maintaining trust and credibility on your platform. Consider user reporting and automated filtering to scale your moderation efforts. Pay attention to design. A clean and intuitive interface is key to user engagement. Make it easy for users to search for businesses, read reviews, and contribute their own experiences. Finally, analyze and iterate. Track key metrics like user engagement, review submissions, and conversion rates. Use this data to continuously improve your platform and provide even more value to your users. Building a robust online review platform is no easy feat, but with the right tools and planning, you're well on your way.